to the Fintech Bytes show with Varun Sharma. This is our first broadcast of Biz2 Credit. Beginning today, we shall talk about various development in financial technology and Indian MSME sector. According to SOCHAM, there are 400 countries including India in this industry. Financial technology or Fintech is the convergence of financial services and technology. Fintech industry comprises of companies that use technology and innovation to compete in the market of traditional financial institutions and intermediaries for delivering financial services to the consumers. In our case, Biz2 Credit understands the needs of borrowers and strives to speed up the process of accessing and availing all types of financing through our online lending platform. Modern financing technology, or rather fintech platforms such as Biz2 Credit, have made customized financial solutions a reality for thousands of Indian SMEs. Understanding the fintech landscape in India. There is a lot of buzz in the Indian media and entrepreneurial circles about a popular catchphrases called fintech. Though the Western world has been acquainted with this term, it's relatively nascent in the Indian content. However, the sector in India is in a hyper growth phase, establishing awareness at geometric rate. Fintech is basically a section of companies which are using technology in a big way to define and make our existing financial systems a lot more efficient and effective. So this may bring you to the question, what really are the various types of companies that can be categorized as being a part of fintech? What exactly are these companies trying to solve? What are these new age fintech companies solving in the financial services space, which is probably one of the oldest sector in the world? There could be a ton of questions I could help answer, but what I aim to do through this broadcast is introduce you to the Indian landscape of fintech and the companies that most likely to fall into the category. Fintech has a wide range of verticals which are typically classified into the following. Lending services. There are tons of lending services companies that have sprung up in the recent past to service demand from customers and businesses for access to finance. These lending services startups look to outwit the traditional lending mechanism and are using alternative credit models and data sources to provide faster access to capital. Payment services. These companies allow both private individuals and businesses to accept payment over web and mobile. These startups aim to integrate payment processing into websites and mobile apps without having to maintain merchant accounts. To minimize fraud, transfers are made directly into the bank account linked to the pay. Remittance services. Quite often, inward and outward remittances are cumbersome and procedural. Sometimes the charges applied for remittance are so high that transfer become an expensive transaction. Personal finance or retail investment services. Another breed of fintech companies are those that help individuals save money, manage and invest their own finances. Also, it helps compare the different options available to make a more informed decision based on personal needs of individual. Thank you viewers for your interest in Fintech Bytes. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.